Today, we are excited to present our project SmartSpan, your personal financial assistance. It is a smart expense tracking platform built with a main stack designed to help users manage their finances. Okay, first of all, this is our creative team consisting of three people. My name is Swan Winduyer, and the other two are my friend Myapontat and Tukanyan, majoring in CS, Computer Science, and IT. Also, we collaborated together to develop this project as part of our senior project one to solve a common everyday issue, financial management. And this is our table of contents slide. First, we will introduce a little bit about our Smart Span project and problem statement and the existing solution, and like our app and use case, prototype and conclusion, and the final question and answer section. Firstly, let me introduce you to SmartSpan, our intelligent expense tracking tool. SmartSpan is designed to help users monitor and manage their personal or business-related financial expenses using real-time data tracking, analytics, and budgeting features. It also allows users to log, categorize, and analyze their transaction easily, and you can add or delete the transaction without difficulty. And more importantly, it also helps individuals or businesses to gain a clear understanding of where their money is going, identify spending patterns, and ultimately make smarter financial decisions. And also, you can check uh, your own business where the money is going and flowing out. And also, our goal is Smart Spend is not just to track expenses, but to empower users to take control of their financial future with insight and simplicity. Also, our Smart Spend will include new features like interactive data visualization, chart, graph, and pints, and also you can customize categories, and also smart budget forecasting, and also you can earn badges and rewards for maintaining streaks and logging in regularly, and also AI powered insights and smart notifications and reminders. And my friend will explain next slides.
Now, let's talk about the problem statement that we're trying to solve. Many users today are lacking of the visibility into how and where they're spending their money. It is easy to buy the online product without realizing how these small expenses are adding over and over time. No proactive financial guidance or allowed to help them stay on budget. Without these things, it is difficult to manage spending in real time or prepare for upcoming expenses. To add on, manual tracking is inconvenient and prone to error, which is because of normally finance using manually using spreadsheets or note. This can be time consuming and getting error, which is does not scale well pretty good with their lifestyle. Target audiences. We identify four main target group for our smart spend. Students who are new to budgeting and want to manage their pocket money or part-time earnings. Professionals who need to keep an eye on their expenses like rent, bills, and etc. Family who are managing their shared expenses and saving for future needs. Traveler and small businesses owner who need to track their spending across currency and categories. Our solution is designed with the flexible to serve all of them. Existing solution, we have discovered the existing apps are like Mint, Pocket Card, and many level. They are mostly available in US and Europe region. They require the bank linking, which isn't like possible around the Southeast Asia. Then they have a limited AI insight or proactive suggestion, which is why smart spend are stepping with the local currency customization, real-time smart budget recommendation, and more advanced AI-driven recommendation, as well as the personalized tip from the spending patterns. Now let's talk about the UI flow from our Figma. On the left, you will see the login and sign up pages. The user can quickly create an account or login with the minimal steps. Once logged users are taken to their dashboard, which show a clear overview of their finances. This includes recent transaction, income and expenses, and some quick calculation. In the top middle wireframe, you will see the transaction history and chart section, where user can view categorized expenses, example like food, transport, and bill, along with the visual graphic to help them see their spending trend over time. Another one is the income entry screen, where user can input their earning. Below that is the expenses entry screen. Designing with the same principle, the user have to choose a category, input the amount, and auto the system will auto categorize and calculate the total in real time. Finally, there is the status page on the bottom right. This summarizes the user memory and historical data, providing with the comparing insight and alerts.
Alright, so this is the tech stack for our applications. For the front end, we will use the React, and for backend, we will use Express and Node.js combined. For database, we will use the online database for MongoDB, which is MongoDB Atlas. And for authentication, we'll use JSON Web Token or JWT as short. And for chat, we'll use the chat.js. And for hosting, we'll use Vercel. And for AI logic, we'll use Node.js, which is a rule build, which means that our expenses or the incomes will be categorized based on the words. So for the proposed solution, imagine having a smart expense tracker that does more than just record numbers. The web application can track your incomes and expenses in real time, which can help you stay on top of your finance with convenience. You can also set your budget for different categories and monitor each of them. Plus, it can also generate the AI-based insight to improve the financial behavior, which is it can calculate your financial transaction days by days all the way up to years, and it can notify you whether you're spending too much money regarding to your incomes or not. And lastly, it can offer a seamless and intuitive interface on the web application experience. So we have 4 points. The first point is it tracks income and expense in real time. Second, it sets and monitors category budgets. For third, it generates AI-based insight to improve financial behavior. And fourth, it offers a seamless and intuitive interface for web application. So this is the slides for architecture. For the front end, we'll handle UI and API requests. For the backend, it will process data and applying AI logic. And for database, it will store transaction, user budgets, and insight. For authentication, it will secure user access. In conclusion, many people were struggling to manage and control their spending on things. So we came up with an idea of a smart and AI-supported expense tracking system as our web application, which has insightful budgeting, guidance, and financial awareness. Thank you.